For my PhD, I'm studying curcumin analogs. They're being researched in our department as anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer. Curcumin is found in turmeric, and it supposedly has antioxidant properties and everything else, but it's not really stable. So I'm testing it in tissue to see if it has possible anti-inflammatory properties. My model of research is in stroke, so the long-term hopefully be used for post-stroke recovery and rehabilitation and allow for possible neuroprotection after people that have endured a stroke or something. When a person suffers from a stroke, there's a lot of nerve damage, and a lot of it's protective to help protect the brain from further problems. But if it gets out of hand, then it spreads to other areas of the brain. If we're able to implement these compounds, then it would prevent further injury. So neuroprotection, protection of the neurons in the brain. There's many people that are injured or suffering or debilitated after having a stroke, and knowing that something I'm researching can possibly help them is definitely a motivating factor. I'm thinking about a lot of different avenues for once I finish my PhD. I'm definitely interested in looking into more of a clinical research outlook and possibly working with either drug testing, clinical trials, and then advocating for stroke and people with neurological disorders. Pharmacology and toxicology is something that affects every person globally. Even toxicology, dealing with the environment, any type of impact on human health and well-being. And there's so many different areas that people can go into. If you study pharmacology, you're not just going to be at a lab desk doing some research. You can be interacting with people, you can be interacting with patients, hospital settings, business settings. There's a wide variety of different avenues to take. So that's why I have at least chosen pharmacology.